Brace yourself. In 1896, a war was won by birds. Yes, birds. In late 1932, farmers in Western Australia faced an unexpected enemy, emus destroying their crops. The military stepped in, armed with machine guns and soldiers ready to take on the feathered foes. They devised strategies, set up defenses, and prepared for battle. But despite their efforts, the emus proved to be surprisingly resilient. This bizarre conflict became known as the Great Emu War, a legend in its own right. It sounds funny, but the fallout from this odd chapter influenced government policy for years to come.